episode. In today's episode, we have a technical analysis on STEEM here. Currently up about 0.33% for the day, sitting at $3.58. But we're looking at the Satoshi value, currently up about 2.5%, sitting at 38,000 Satoshis. But really quick though, folks, before we do that, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap sitting at 435 billion. Sorry, I was gonna go straight into price. Today's volume is 23 billion. Bitcoin dominance sitting at 36.1. Bitcoin down about 2% for the day, folks, sitting at 9,240, just below 250. It did bounce off our 9,000 support. Are we going to hold? Who knows? Ethereum down 1% for the day, sitting just below 750. Oops, I accidentally clicked on it. Go back. Ripple down almost 2%, or almost 3%, sorry, sitting at 81 cents. Bitcoin Cash down about 5%. EOS up 0.5%. Litecoin down 4. IOTA up about almost 6. Who's the big winner today? Litecoin up 76. They did get listed on Binance, I believe. ISO token up 21, Nexo up 20, Pundi up 14, Hollow up 13, Ethos up 12. We didn't do a video on that. We did a technical analysis, but we didn't do a video. Make sure you folks are following me on TradingView if you're not already. Sometimes I do post a lot of analysis on there that I don't make videos about, so make sure you guys do follow on there. But you folks came here for some STEEM. Market cap sitting at 911 million. Ooh, excuse me. Today's volume is 16.8 million. Circulating supply 254 million. Total supply 271 million. Major exchanges here, folks. Binance, Upbit, Bittrex, Huobi, Poloniex, and Hit BTC looks like are the major exchanges. Let's go ahead and head over to some price actions. Looks like yesterday's candle came as low as 9,200. Today's candle came all the way down to about 9,025. Are we going to hold? Who knows? Let's go ahead and switch over to the 4 hour. The 4 hour is showing us like we could possibly hold, depending on how this candle closes. This 4 hour just started, so this is a very important. I think so. This is the original ascending triangle we were in. We did break out, and now it looks like we're exactly where the ascending triangle broke out of. So we're actually testing our support right now. Are we gonna hold? Who knows? What I'm waiting for, folks, for a safe entry is a break and close above 9,450 on the 4 hour. Ooh, excuse me. Once we get the break and close above 9,450 on the 4 hour, should be good to go. You could take a small buy here, maybe catch the bounce, but who knows if we're going to hold. Let's go ahead and switch over to the hourly. The hourly is showing us momentum heading towards the upside. Price not looking like it is. On the hourly, I'd wait for the break and close above 9,250. Once we get the break and close above 9,250, Bitcoin should be good to go. But until then, I'd kind of just wait, just let it make its correction. I believe in May it'll be, the last time we see below 10K. That's just my personal opinion, though. Not a financial advisor. Ethereum respecting its nice little uptrend. Yesterday we came as low as about 690. Today we've only came as low as 720. So it looks like price is starting to form some higher lows here. Looks like we got a nice little double bottom. I'd probably take a buy on Ethereum here, small little position. Wait till we get that break and close above 770 on the 4 hour. Once we get the break and close above this level, should be good to go. Momentum already starting to head towards the upside. Ethereum beating Bitcoin this year so far and how it's performing. Is it going to remain that way throughout the year? I don't know. I think it possibly could, but we're going to have to wait and see. Litecoin here, the one that's got me a little worried, not going to lie, but it's all right. Just a minor correction. It looks like we had resistance here at about 180 since then. Pretty nice retracement. So what I'm looking for is support at about 153 to 155. Let's go ahead and switch over to the 4 hour, sorry. Let's go ahead and switch over to the 4 hour, see what the 4 hour is showing us. Looks like we got a nice little channel here. Or not a channel, but more of a descending wedge. So what I'm actually looking for is, I'm expecting Litecoin to come as low as about 155 to 154. Possibly catch a support here and then bounce towards the upside. If we don't hold at 155, I'm expecting us to come as low as about 147 to 145 and then bouncing off that level. But again, folks, you already know, not a financial advisor. This is just my personal opinion. We could potentially hold here, as last 8 hours we had some indecision, and then a nice little dragonfly, not a dragon tail. I'm over here thinking about some cartoon. And this 4 hour candle just started, so if we get the break and close above 167 on the 4 hour, I'd definitely take a position. If price holds at this level, I'd probably take a small position because this is most likely going to be the nice bounce off our horizontal support and our dynamic support. But who knows? Just to play it safe, wait for the break and close above 167 on the 4 hour. But you folks came here for some STEEM to BTC technical analysis. Bittrex is the broker we're looking at. TradingView is the platform. I think it's at a great price right now. We did have resistance here at about 48,000 Satoshi. Since then, small little retracement. Came back down to form, or where our higher high was last time. Looks like we're forming a higher low. This is the daily here, folks. We got a couple of wicks here at the same level at 36, almost 37,000 Satoshis. So I'm actually looking to buy some more Steam. As you can tell, momentum has definitely bottomed out. Looks like we're actually slowly starting to head towards the upside. But we got a nice bounce, our horizontal support and our dynamic support as well. Let's go ahead and switch over to the 4 hour, see what the 4 hour is showing us. 4 hour doesn't, no signs of slowing down on the 4 hour. What happened last time was when Bitcoin wasn't performing all that great, Steam was actually one of those coins that was, performing phenomenal. So I'm actually kind of expecting the same thing. We had a nice little double bottom here. Price broke out. Price has then, retraced back to our little breakout support. So I'm actually going to be taking a buy towards the end of this or after this episode. Momentum, definitely has some bullish divergence. Looks like a great time to buy Steam if you ask me. Just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. But let's go ahead and switch over to the weekly. Where do I see this coin going? I think this coin could easily, no problem, towards the end of 2018, come up to its first target here at about 250,000 Satoshis. This is my first target towards the end of 2018. Second target, a little bit more aggressive, is about 500,000 Satoshis, but this is about 3 to 4 months into 2019. I feel like the community is going to be a lot more bigger. Crypto is going to be bigger in general, but the Steem community, I feel like is going to be one of the bigger communities. So I'm really excited, but that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-Steem, upvote, comment down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys subscribe. You have post notifications turned on. I do post a new video every single day. Other than that, guys, thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.